Now, let's talk about the art of gripping a pistol. Proper grip is very important in shooting. As a pistol is fired, it begins to recoil before the bullet exits the barrel. That is why it is essential that the grip remain constant in each and every shot. Let us start with an unloaded firearm. When shooting with a two-handed grip on a semi-auto pistol, grab the gun with your strong hand. Always observe high grip, which is done by putting the web of your hand on the web of the pistol. The web of your hand should be in line with your forearm. Your fingers must be out of the trigger area, but maintain a firm grip against the bottom of the trigger guard. Your thumb should be on top of the safety or on the upper part of the frame. Remember, some semi-autos may not come with a thumb safety. To reduce recoil, maintain a high grip. This is important for consistent speed shooting. Looking at the front strap of the pistol, fingers should be square to the muzzle. The weak hand should contact the frame from top to bottom. Point the thumb towards the target, slightly touching on the dust cover of the frame. The strong hand thumb is always on the top of the weak hand thumb. Remember, do not let any part of your hand touch the slide. This can disrupt the cycle and cause a firearm to malfunction, and it may cause injury. Now, with both hands on the pistol, there should be an equal amount of pressure all the way around. Put the trigger finger out along the frame and you will see that the weak hand thumb is parallel across from the trigger finger. Now, pointing the pistol downrange, if you release the fingers of the weak hand while still gripping the pistol, the fingers must be in a 45-degree downward angle for proper grip. Even the smallest difference in your hand position would change the bullet impact on the target. Let's review the grip. The weak hand should make good contact with the strong hand. The index finger of the weak hand should touch the middle finger of the strong hand. This allows the remaining three fingers of the weak hand to fall in the knuckle area of the strong hand itself. Now, there should be good contact between the strong hand and the weak hand underneath the trigger guard. Put a 50-50 firm grip on the handgun. Now we're going to check the onward extension from the shoulders to the gun. The elbow should be slightly bent, about 1 inch in a downward position. This will allow the front sight to return to a target with more consistency. Not even a perfect sight alignment and sight picture can compensate for a lack of trigger control. Trigger control is often cited as the most common error in shooting a handgun.